Is your iPad screen constantly dimming on its own even when you're using it? In this guide, I will show you several ways to stop iPad screen from dimming automatically. Let's get started. The most common reason your iPad screen dims is auto brightness. Here's how to turn it off. Open the Settings app, tap Accessibility. Next, tap on Display and Text Size. Scroll all the way down and turn off auto brightness. Keep in mind that disabling auto brightness means you will need to adjust the screen brightness manually when lighting conditions change. If your iPad dims right before the display turns off, the auto lock timer is probably too short. To change it, open the Settings app, tap on Display and Brightness, then tap on Auto Lock. Choose a longer time such as 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or never if you don't want the display to turn off automatically. Now your iPad will stay awake longer before dimming. Some newer iPad models can dim the display when they think you're no longer looking at the screen. If your iPad supports this feature, open the Settings app, tap on Face ID and Passcode, enter passcode, scroll down and turn off Attention Aware features. Your screen will no longer dim based on where you are looking. When low power mode is enabled, your iPad may reduce screen brightness to conserve battery. To disable it, open Settings, tap Battery, and turn off low power mode. If your battery is running low, you may want to charge your iPad instead of leaving this feature disabled. Sometimes the brightness is simply set too low. Open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Drag the brightness slider upward until you are comfortable with the brightness level. And that's how you can stop your iPad screen from dimming automatically. If your screen still dims after trying these methods, it may be happening because your iPad is overheating. In that case, move it to a cooler location and let it return to a normal temperature before using it again. If this guide helped you out, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to iOS Hacker, and hit the notification bell for more iPad tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.